Welcome to the forefront of technology, where innovation meets exploration. Get ready to dive into the world of intelligence with TechBook. Today, our video is about artificial intelligence from theory to real world applications. Introduction. Greetings, fellow tech enthusiasts. Today, we are embarking on an accelerating journey into the heart of artificial intelligence AI, where theory meets real world applications. Join us as we delve deep into the intricacies of AI, exploring its definitions, capabilities, and transformative impact on society. Introduction to Artificial Intelligence AI. Artificial intelligence or AI represents the pinnacle of computer science, aiming to evaluate human intelligence through the development of computer systems. But what does AI entail and how does it impact our daily lives? Let's delve into the intersections of AI and explore its multifaceted applications. Defining artificial intelligence. AI encompasses various definitions, each shedding light on different aspects of this complex field. Google's perspective. Google defines artificial intelligence as the theory and development of computer systems capable of tasks traditionally requiring human intelligence, such as visual perceptions, speech recognitions, decision making, and translation. In simpler terms, AI can be seen as using computers to perform tasks that typically necessitate human intelligence. Quartz perspective. Quartz defines artificial intelligence as software or a computer program with a mechanism to learn from data, making decisions akin to human thought processes. Understanding artificial intelligence in depth. Algorithmic learning. Artificial intelligence enables machines to learn from data patterns, leveraging algorithms to make decisions. Unparalleled capabilities. Unlike humans, AI powered systems operate tirelessly and can analyze vast amounts of data simultaneously with significantly lower error rates. Real time applications. Artificial intelligence technologies are already transforming various sectors, offering improved efficiency and effectiveness. Impact of artificial intelligence on society. Potential disruptions. While artificial intelligence presents opportunities for significant advancements, it also raises concerns about job displacement and political power struggles. Transformative potential. Artificial intelligence has the power to revolutionize industries and improve various aspects of our lives, from healthcare to finance and beyond. Real world applications of artificial intelligence. Number one, static image recognition. Artificial intelligence driven tools facilitate image recognition, classification, and tagging across diverse industries. Number two, algorithmic trading. In finance, artificial intelligence optimizes trading strategies, enhancing performance and maximizing returns. Number three, efficient patient data processing. Healthcare benefits from artificial intelligence enabled processing of patient data, improving care delivery. Number four, predictive maintenance. Artificial intelligence predicts maintenance needs, optimizing operational efficiency across industries. Number five, object detection and classification. From self driving cars to industrial automation, AI enables precise object detection and classification. Number six, content distribution on social media. Artificial intelligence driven content distribution enhances market strategies and rising awareness for social causes. Number 7. Cyber security threat protection. Artificial intelligence plays a crucial role in detecting and mitigating cybersecurity threats in online transactions. Machine learning. Machine learning, a core component of AI, empowers computers to learn from data patterns without explicit programming. Through algorithms, machines can make predictions and offer personalized experience based on user interactions. Supervised, unsupervised, and reinforcement learning are key approaches within machine learning, each with distinct methodologies and applications. Deep learning. Deep learning, a subset of machine learning, stand out for its ability to tackle complex programs using neural networks. These networks, composed of interconnected layers, excel at recognizing intricate patterns in vast datasets. Deep learning is driving advancements in speech recognition, natural language processing, computer vision, and more. Conclusion. Artificial intelligence stands at the forefront of technological innovation, offering boundless opportunities for progress and transformation. As we navigate the evolving landscape of artificial intelligence, let's harness its power responsibly, ensuring a future where technology serves humanity for the better. With knowledge as our compass and innovation as our guide, there is no limit to what we can achieve. Stay curious, stay inspired, and keep pushing the boundaries of what is possible. Like, share, and subscribe for more captivating content on TechBook.